Good evening, guys. It's very chilly, man. It's cold. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It depends with where you are watching this video from. Welcome to Rosette Experience YouTube channel. I'm coming live clear from my African village home. Yeah, this is my home, guys. So it has just rained and you can see the sky is quite white, blue or white or dark. Yeah, welcome to another vlog. I'm very happy because the rains are back. The rains are back, and you can see the trees are starting to gain their leaves. You can see especially this tree here. Especially this tree here, let me show you. It has started to gain its leaves, like you can hear. It rained some minutes ago, so that's why you can hear the sound. So welcome to this video. I hope you are doing well. I'm also doing well. Welcome to Rosette Experience YouTube channel. I'm coming live clear from my African village home, to be specific, Kenya, East Africa, Migori County. So for those who are not new to this particular channel, I've just decided to reflect back. Like few months ago, I came here in this particular village home, and I had so many things to do, and I'm really happy that as you speak right now, some of them are accomplished, some of them are still going on, some of them failed, some of them didn't achieve the expectation that I really wanted. For example, I'm really happy because the rains are back. The flowers that I planted here, these flowers over here, you can see this place here. You can see this place here. Yeah, I'm really happy because the rains are back and they are going to do well and they are going to grow. Yeah, they're really going to grow, guys. So I'm really happy looking back for the few things that I've done here in the village. Like this stretch here, I'm gonna have a bovald. This place here, bovald. Yeah, this place here, it's gonna be a bovald. So you can see, yeah, this one, this one, this one. They are really doing well. They are really doing well. Abeni! Eh, makuridhio modok. Miti yud ko nalore odhia. Onaro arnike ma nalore ga. So guys, I'm saying, like in the village, when it rains and you want to go and get the cattle from the grazing field, sometimes you can find it has tied several times. So it's always disgusting when it rains, when you are going to get the cattle from the grazing field. Like it has toiled and twined, and then it has rained. It's always hectic and so annoying. Yeah, that's called, yeah, that's Ben, one of my cousin. Yeah, so guys, I'm really happy because you see the bovald is taking shape, and I'm really happy because the rains are back. The rains, let me clean the camera. The rains are back and you can hear it just want to be rain. So guys, when I was starting this village series, I used to mention that I'm here in the village to build my parents' house, to establish a kitchen garden, to drill a borehole, to make bricks, to start construction. And today I'm really happy because one of them is going to, not one, most part of the project has been successful. Like the kitchen garden. Right now we have several bananas here. You can see the bananas. You can see the bananas. And my kitchen garden, it's really doing well, despite during the dry season it doesn't do well. But I'm really happy the bananas that I planted, they're here to stay, and they really look nice right now that we have rain back. They really look very nice. Let me show you. The bananas are really looking nice. Yeah, this one here. Let me show you the bananas that I planted when I was coming to the village from city. This one here, I really hope after 1 year we'll have several bananas here. That one over there, this one over here, this one over here, this one over here. Guys, this garden over here used to be an open land, like a very open land. It used to be a very open land, but I'm really happy now it's taking shape. It's becoming a kitchen garden. Yeah, so another one is here. It's very cold. Yeah, for the sake of Rosette experience, I've decided to do this evening vlog. Yeah guys, so there's also another one here and another one here, and also from this stretch here we have the oranges. Yeah, so guys, for those who are coming to this particular channel for the very first time, thank you very much for clicking. Please don't leave the channel before subscribing, because this journey, yeah, as you can see, this construction here started from the scratch. And for those who are not new, can really tell the moment we started by even making the bricks from the scratch. Yeah, it started, and the whole journey is here in this particular channel, and that always really motivated me. So for someone who has followed my journey in YouTube, you will clearly tell how much we've done here in the village since I came here. And I really thank God for that, and I really appreciate God for giving me all this energy, giving me strength, supporting me, good health. I only fell sick once. Yeah, but I really thank God for all this good health, good vibes. Sometimes it gets so hard being in the village, but I really thank God, because when I look back all that has happened, I just thank God. I just give thanks to God. Yeah, because when I came here, we didn't have this particular house over here. Yeah, we didn't have this particular house, and as we speak right now, it is remaining like seven course, like bricks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then we're gonna reach the little level. So when I came here, this place used to be like just a field, and even tractors used to pass here when they were getting sugarcane from down there. They used to pass to where this house is, and that has really motivated me, has really encouraged me, and has really made me going, because yeah, we no longer have a way here in this place, because there's a structure that is here right now. So I really want to thank God for this journey, and I'm really happy because the rains are back. And just as if you can do something, like anyone can do something, sometimes you succeed, sometimes it doesn't go well. The borehole that we started drilling, I tell you guys, few months, like for the first past days or months, I think 2 months, we've been really experiencing a drought. So the borehole dried, and that demoralized me a little bit, because my expectation was having the borehole to have enough water that I could be using for irrigation of my kitchen garden. But I came to realize that we didn't dig deep, so that's why the water was very, very small. I don't mean that there was no completely water. The level of water just went low because we just experienced like a 2 months drought, consecutive months, no rain. But I'm really happy the rains are back. We're gonna have water, but I really think when the time is right, we're gonna extend the borehole so that even during the dry season we have enough water in the compound. So guys, when I made the decision to quit my 9 to 5 job, I came here in the village with just a normal person with big dreams, wishing to accomplish so many things. But I'm really happy because they are really taking shape. So for anyone outside there, everything is really possible. Everything is really possible if you have a clear plan, if you set out your goals well, if you really plan well for this. Because the rains are back, and that has been really helping me in the curing process of this particular house. So I was saying, it was the very first day that I stepped here in my home was in the month of, I can remember, in my appointment letter, in my resignation letter, my last day at the office was 3rd of March. And immediately after resigning from my work, I didn't even finish a week in the town that I was staying. That was in Homa Bay. So it means since March 15th I've been here in the village, juggling on and off, on trying ups and down. Sometimes you feel discouraged, sometimes you feel motivated. Like right about now, I just want to thank God because the far I've reached. But the construction has stopped a little bit. Let me show you. It has stopped a little bit because the sand that we are using depleted. So we're in the process of getting another one. Hopefully by next week or the other week we shall resume again. We shall resume construction. So that's why I've decided to just do this amazing vlog, guys. But first, I think I should show you something. I should be vlogging around my village. Let's go and see something over there. So I would just want to close the door. I want to close the door. Should I put on my gumboots? I've just seen a text from my brother. He's asking me about the water from the borehole. So he's saying, is the water back from the Kisima? Because when we were doing construction, man, water was really expensive, man. Getting water, that one can be equivalent of even getting 2 cements. Like it used to pain me when I was paying for water. Like, you see that 310 liters. This one is is 310 liters. 310 liters. And there are two. So we used to pay some guys to bring for us water. It's expensive, man. If you collect that amount and sum it up for like 2 consecutive construction days, that is equivalent to 3 or 4 cement, I tell you. Not 3, that one I've exaggerated. Like 2 cements, even 1. Let me say 1 cement. Like, so we used that one and this one here. Yeah. So the amount of water that was being used during that time was this one. We could use 4 of them. 4. Like this 2, the other one 2. So 4. Yeah, guys. So this is our borehole here. Man, I thought that by the time that we were going to start construction, we could not have enough. We could not have water problem. But let me test something here. Yeah, it didn't dry like drying up. It didn't dry like drying up. The level just went down. But I believe if we continue, have I closed my door, you know? How many of you, sometimes when you leave your house, you just have to go and confirm, and I've not lowered the curtain, and I've just left my computer on. Yeah, today I want to do a long vlog. You know why? Today I want to do the longest vlog. Like, I just want to try to vlog for like 1 hour. Let me close the laptop and lower the curtains. You know, we have not fenced the compound, so some people can just pass by. Yeah. That's how we live here in African village. You'll find that most homes are not fenced. So just want to take an evening walk. Yeah, the idea is I want to go where we make jaggery and take a little bit sugarcane. So, yeah. So I was saying, the money that you are paying people to bring water, you can even use it to buy one bag of cement. Yeah, that's how construction should be done. We should try as much as possible to cut the cost as much as possible. So I hope the water could be enough in the well, but unfortunately, you know, we thought we dug, but we didn't dig enough. And all these things depends on resources. So yeah, but I hope we'll just finish it one day, and then we're gonna have enough water, maybe when the house will be finished. Yeah, so when I came here, I had 3 projects: to make bricks, to start construction. And when I look back, I really thank God, because we started by bricks. Bricks are ready right now. They are there in the construction site. Yeah, so guys, let's hurry up and get something. Like, I'm going to pick a sugarcane. Normally here in the village, chewing sugarcane when it has rained, it's always nice, a good feeling. Yeah, so let's go there and see. Over here, this is an apiary. For those who are new, For those who haven't been to this particular channel, this is a place where the bees are. Right now the bees are not much active because of the weather. Yeah, because of the weather. Even I can get inside. I can get inside. Yeah, the weather is I hope I'm not standing in front of the, you can see. Yeah, but during hot times you can't even get inside this particular place. Yeah. Yeah, the weather right now is very cold. It's very cold, so the bees are not very wild. There you go. And here it says, in the memory, Mama Evelyn Apiary was officially opened in March 2023. Where was I in March? By Jackie Filbert. Rest in peace, Mama Evelyn, anyway. Yeah. So normally we harvest honey, and the honey are stored here. Let me show you. So normally these are the honey plants. Like, these are flowers that the bees use to make honey. Like, these are passion. Normally they are flowers. Yeah. And also there is mango. Bananas are over there. Yeah. So this is where the honey are being stored. So you see that house? That house is full of honey as you speak right now. It is full of honey. Very full of honey. Very full of honey. That house there. Oh, I can see fresh sugar cane in the factory. Fresh sugar cane in the factory. Yes, guys. Movement is by running or walking. Walking. Kuja usalimia watu. Kuja. Unaogopa nini? So normally when people see you, yeah, this is where I was coming to. Getting fresh sugar cane. Howard. So this place here we make jaggery. Here we make jaggery. So this is an engine. That turns this crusher. Then nepo kucha korego. Ikukuda chako. So this engine here turns this crusher. Let's see. Then the sugarcane sap comes out. Then it's being boiled. it's being boiled after crushing the sugar cane, crushing, then crushing the sugar cane just come from this part, yeah, that part. Then you take it, you pour it here, when you have more than enough, you pour the first bunch to be here, then another one to be here, then you boil until you have your jaggery. But guys, I promise that's gonna be another video one day. Meanwhile, first of all, I want to check this sugar cane. Iriambo. Kuju salimia watu. Kuju salimia watu. Bimos jawaga.
Ya mambo. Mko? Safi.
Unaitwa nani?
Mimi naitwa John Junior.
Wewe ni mwanamuziki?
Mimi ni mwanamuziki.
Si nipe line moja. Nipe line moja.
Hiyo baadaye. Sasa niko busy.
Yeah, that's so during that rainy season, the past season, I was plucking this. Actually, I plucked them from this particular fence here, my uncle's fence. I was plucking this. I think I should go and add another one, guys, because the rains are back. Today, let me just add 10 because of the rains, at least. Yeah, actually, this is the right time that I should be planting trees. Yeah, tomorrow, I think I'm gonna go to the nearest tree nursery to plant trees. You know, when I came here, I was having so many things until I even planting trees never came to my mind. But this time round, we're gonna plant some trees, like many trees, guys. Yeah, because I've seen from this particular experience, I've just seen that I should be planting so many trees right now here in my home. Yeah, so many trees, and actually they should be fruit trees. Yeah. So I was plucking these ones like this, these ones like this, and I was planting them here. So the idea is, I wanted that when you entered the home, like normally in road tradition, it's always good to enter the home facing the front door. So the idea was when you enter this place, you're gonna make a turn, like you turn, you come like this, then you turn like this. Is when you enter the home towards that side, not just entering our home through this particular entrance. So the idea was to block this place. I was to plant these particular flowers in this stretch here. I believe some of them are even here. This one, also even somewhere here. This one is here. Yeah. So So I really need to plant more trees this time round. Yeah, that's now gonna be another project. Yeah. So this time round, it's gonna be season of planting trees. Trees. Yeah. So guys, the idea was to do away with this road here. See this road here, so that when you come from the road, you come this way, is when you go this way, is when you go this way, is when you enter the home. So that was the idea. Like you come this way, you go down this way, is when you go that way. Yeah, that was the idea, guys. So meanwhile, guys, we are 32 minutes up to the live. And for those who have watched up to this level, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you tomorrow in the next vlog. Yeah, tomorrow I am going for a shoot. We are shooting a film in the local village. Guys, I've done so much until right now. We are even shooting films in the village, but this charcoal here I don't know when I'm gonna burn it. Yeah, so guys, it's raining. Just want to get inside the house and upload the video, guys. What could be the title of this video? Suggest for me, guys. Yeah, bye bye, see you in the next one. Meanwhile, let me enjoy my sugar cane. Cheers.